Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amit Lathigra. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to use media in HTML5 page. HTML5 is the newer version of HTML till now. It has many new features in terms of new input controls, use of media in HTML page, effective layout through HTML5 tags for a particular website, use of canvas for 2D graphics like line, circle, rectangle, use of APIs in terms of getting the user's current location, use of web storage in terms of local storage and session storage. Out of these all, particularly in this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to use media. Media in terms of how can we use video, audio, PDF file, or how can we embed a YouTube video in HTML5 page. This is my normal HTML code. To make it HTML5, in beginning of document, we need to use doc type as HTML, which makes our page HTML5. Now, within this body, I want to embed a video. To use a video, I can use video tag of HTML5. Now to use a particular video, I need to use source HTML tag with source attribute. To my page, let's go to the folder first. In this folder, I'm having one file archive.mp4, which I want to use here. Is my HTML5 page and video file. Both are in same folder. Right away, I can specify file name. Let me save. Let's check an output. So now video is appearing here. Let's put controls like to play a video, to pause the video. So for that, I can use controls attribute. So now my video is having the controls. From here, I can playback speed. Make it autoplay. I can use autoplay attributes. So if you refresh the page, your video gets play automatically. Now let's use audio. To use audio, I need to use audio tag of video. Controls and autoplay remains as it is. I don't want to use autoplay, but I want to have controls. Source. Now here I need to provide a file name. So audio.mp3 is my file. So let me use audio.mp3. Save. Let's check an output. So now here audio file is available. Let me click on play. Play music. Here I can forward back to the additional. What I want to do, I want to embed a PDF file. So PDF file is available here. That is webdesign.pdf. Let's embed it as an object using embed HTML tag. Let's provide a source that is webdesign.pdf. This tag. Save. Let's check an output. We can even control height and width. So for that, let me specify height. Say 600 pixels. Let me provide width is 400 pixel. Let's save. Let's refresh the page. So I embed a PDF file here. From here we can download. From here we can print this document. Even if we can change the width, for example, instead of 400, let's make it 600. And here let's make height 800 pixels to get the additional controls. Like I can move to a particular page. I can zoom out, zoom in. I can make it fit to page, rotate, download, print, and additional options. To embed a YouTube video, let's first go to the youtube.com website. Select the video, whatever you want to embed. Click on share. Get the YouTube video link. Let's close this page. And let's use here iframe. Using iframe, easily we can embed a YouTube video. I need to provide source. Let me specify height and width. This tag. Whenever you are going to embed any of the YouTube video, you need to make sure youtube.com is the URL. So I change it to youtube.com. In between the youtube.com and your video ID, this is a video ID, we need to use embed so that it gets embedded in a page. Let's save and let's refresh this page. Let's click on play. So in this way, easily we can embed a YouTube video. We can control this video as well as we can watch it on youtube.com website. So in this video, I demonstrated you how to use video, audio, how to embed a PDF file and how to embed a YouTube video using iframe HTML tag. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. For your any questions, feel free to put the comments in this video. Have a very good day ahead. Thanks once again.